It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
While we were traveling through Canada, we found this.
We're gonna taste it.
Are we gonna taste it?
Yeah.
What is it?
School safe. School safe.
School safe?
It's banana bread.
Banana bread.
It is nut and dairy free.
Dairy free. Those.
Banana bread snack
That's
cakes.
it.
Let's take a look at them.
Let's take a look at them. They're gonna be tasty. They're gonna be tasty. They're gonna be
It's gonna be tasty.
Yeah.
So there's 20 per box. We picked them up at Costco
In Canada.
in Canada.
We're gonna taste one.
Let's see. Hold on. First, let's see if we can see one.
Strawberry bread.
Sure. All right. School safe. Chocolate chip banana bread.
Thanks.
Do you want to open it for him?
Bread. It's banana bread. Is that good?
How's it taste, Em?
Good. Like butter.
Like what?
Butter.
Like butter?
Yeah.
It's really blurry.
That tastes super good.
Does it taste like butter?
And there's another one. It tastes like banana bread.
Is it as good as homemade banana bread?
It tastes the same, yeah.
Just the same?
Just the same.
All right. What do you think?
Tastes like banana bread.
Pretty
Pretty tasty.
I need another one. I need another one.
It is moist. I don't typically like chocolate chips and banana bread. But it's not bad. Not as good as homemade. But pretty good. You think it's delicious, huh? You just want to eat it all?
Is she going to bite?
I don't think she will, since he never eats banana bread. No, you could eat it. You love it, don't ya? Was that a good pick Daddy found?
Yeah.
Well, if you're not a baker, I'd say that's a pretty good buy, because it is pretty good. It's not as good as homemade, but it's comparable. It's conveniently packed in little packages, so it'd be easy to take with you if you're going out hiking or doing something. So what do we think? Hold on, let's tell them. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. I'd give it a thumbs up. That's good banana bread, huh? What do you think, Colin?
Read this book for me. I would eat them.